Okay, sorry guys, I have a little internet disconnection. Anyways, I'm back. So I was saying that we are going to look at gold and obviously these trades as well on the CAD that I'm holding. Then GBP, Euro, USD, CHF, pretty much everything I'm going to look at today. Okay, so hopefully you will know a lot of the concepts as well. Let's wait for a little bit of users to join. And try one thing, okay? Try to chat right here in this chat room. This chat room is for you, not for anyone else, just for you. So I was saying for the gold, even yesterday I uploaded a video for all of you. You will remember I upload a video for you, my friends. And there was this chance of double top right here, and I said that this double top, by the time I wake up in the morning, people must have been broken it. And I was so true. See this one. Let's have a look at it on the H4. So 1 2 3 breakout, came down, retest, and now the volume is again like slow. And there is this trend. Okay, let's see. My friend, this trend we are going to study. This little trend, because we need to find out how this trend is established, how it is formed, stuff like that. It's beautiful one. On the H1 it will be even more clear to us. See, nicely on Friday it is formed. Today I will be trading as well, okay? But first let's see a little bit this channel. And most traders do this mistake. They don't draw the channels correctly. This is the right way. Okay. So then we find with this help of this channel drawing this level for us. So let's see. Now I delete it. Now do you know how I find this level? This. Beautiful one. Then on the euro US dollar, what did I say? Even yesterday, this is my topic for Friday. Make sure to check out that video. Let's clean up the chart a little bit. Move to the H4. And yesterday, what did I say? That this is now no more bearish. Why? Because even if we were looking for a bearish, that would be from right here on this breakout. But that breakout did not came. Why? Do you know why it did not came? Because we had a, even yesterday I discussed, yesterday I uploaded the video late night, and then I made it private, and now it is back public. So this one I discussed yesterday, that if this level is broken, then this will be the probability on the euro dollar. back to 1.18263, 1.17831. But we have to see, okay, we have to see, my friend. We cannot go just blindly for the levels. So this was a level, and that's why I was not interested in the sell. See, here is that deal. Remember, right here I have got a double bottom, sort of. Followed, now pay very close attention because this is very much important for everyone. Because later those who don't follow this concept, later they are stuck in the trades, they don't know how to get out of them. So I say, before a trader get into such situation, the trader should always make himself prepare for his future moves. Then I will say that trader is completely successful. But for example, if I say no, I just blindly want to buy right here, things doesn't work. Or if I say this is a 61.8 on the H4 and we are looking bearish, so we should sell right here. Remember, the clever person and the good trader, I should say, is the one who identify the change of character before it occurs. And yesterday I gave you a hint for that here. And I clearly mentioned the reason. What was the reason? This pattern. And I discussed it just like a person would discuss it or teach it to a child. This much in simple words I expressed my feelings about this euro dollar yesterday. But when I see the views, I just get a little disappointed. I say I'm giving them good levels, but they are not following. So then I get a little bit disheartened as well at the same time. That what problem I have, and in my analysis, that you guys are watching others for thousands and lakhs of views, and person who is telling you right here the truth, you hardly don't stay with me right here. What is the problem with all of you then? Especially those who don't stay with me. Are you looking for a trade all of the time? One moment, okay? One moment, coming. One moment, I'll be back. So tell me, why don't you stay with me? Let me head over to your chat till then. Andrelicio Berti 9832 GBPUSD stronger. Okay, we are going to look at it. Loki Victor, my friend, thank you. Haha, Denchu, my dear friend, how are you doing? I got wiped out with gold. I should have listened to you. The market continued to go up Friday and today. Well, my friends, if you guys listen to me, what I'm sitting right here for? I'm sitting for all of you to save you from these market makers, their moves, their traps, and everything. So first of all, very sorry about your wiped account. But as I say, ask yourself why you guys are so in rush. Literally, everyone wants to make money. Even I want to make money. Money is my requirement. I will be making money. But I simply say that if I have to take a risk, or if one of my member is going to take a risk, then why, if anyways, if a risk is going to be taken, why not at the right place? And why don't we prepare ourselves for that? Why? This question I need to ask you. I need to ask you why you guys don't listen to me properly. And the reason I'm also telling you, the reason is most of us, we are always chasing the money. So always chasing the money will not work. See, I clearly mentioned this in the weekly Forex forecast video as well, that this market is heading back up and a change of character has now done. See, market nicely going up, change of character breakout, retest, continuation. Market was nicely then going down, 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 change of character, trend line broken. We have still 1 day left, so we will know. I will head back to this euro further, but let's see GBP USD. Well, GBP USD looking very nice. I mean literally very nice, but let's see, the take profit zone can be further like 69 pips and well, yes, I want to take it, okay, with 0.02 for the week. I think I want to take it, but one thing I want to tell you, my friend, this level on the GBP USD is going to create some trouble, okay, so keep this in mind. This level, this is a level of 1.32942. But anyways, let's see. I'm not afraid of these troubles and stuff, okay, my friends, not at all. Then the pound yen, we have got a change of character, so I will get back to it. Euro GBP US 500 breakout confirmed. Let's see. D. Oh, my friends, congratulations! Congratulations! Take profit, one hit. Last week I gave you this trade. See, now this is the analysis. How much pips? Well, it is like 4,500 somewhere points. Now I think, my friends, I should delete this level now, and I will need a fresh Fibonacci. So now let's see it right here, okay? Right here. Buying, because take profit one is hit, so I think move stop to break even and let the rest of the position run till here. If you can book some profits from the whole position, still that's fine, because right here we can add a buy position later upon confirmation. Okay, this is that confirmation. Let me show you on the DE30C. The first candle that hit the level and closed bearish engulfing. See, this candle is bigger than the previous one in the rally. Then for few hours the market consolidated and finally a drop. So a good one. USD JPY. Wow, my friends, wow. USD JPY, what a beautiful trade it was. I gave it on, I guess, on Friday. And I said that this level is going to make some trouble for me, but let's see. Now on this level is my eyes. Okay, my eyes on this one. Then let's see what it gives us further, okay? And I'm not moving my stop loss further, but yes, it is 197. So now I am reducing it to how much? To 117 pips. And then the USD CAD, same situation going on right here. On Friday, then we have seen a breakout. This I took live with all of you, going nicely. Then the dollar index, my previous analysis, all with you. This level it is heading to. Simple. And step by step I will be discussing them. Don't go anywhere. GBP AUD, this one I did not discuss. Did anyone bought from here? Because the actual buying was right here. US Tech CAD JPY. There is one trade that is negative, and that is Euro CAD. EuroCAD is not going nicely, I should say. But I mean, I cannot do anything about it, okay? Because there the euro is getting momentum against the dollar, so that's why it is against the CAD. So euro is gaining strength against the CAD, while RSI remain above 80. So let's see. I'm not teasing around with it. Now come on to my favorite pair, the very favorite pair, my favorite pair, gold dollar. So what is going on this pair? Hmm. Very beautiful market it is, very beautiful. Okay. Now we will need to understand it a little bit. See first of all this trend. Okay. This trend we need to see, but let me launch my pen. We will see, my friend. Don't worry. Don't ever be in a rush. Okay. This is market. And yes, I was saying, why you guys don't watch my weekly forecasts, huh? I didn't get any comment from any of you. Oh, my friend, I'm doing it for you so that you can. There is a one problem in the traders. What is that problem? Do you know? They say, okay, if this person is telling us to watch the videos so that his watch time increases and stuff like that, right? This is what I think you guys are doing. But for example, even if I'm saying it for the watch time or saying it for my subscriptions, so I'm not telling you something bad. I'm not wasting your time. I'm telling you the right things. I mean, go revolve around in the whole world and find me such a stream where each and everything will be transparently shown to you, in front of you, traded in front of you. No one do this. They will just be displaying it on the trading view for you. No one does it, my friends, as this. And you guys are very lucky that you are watching me right now. And it's not just about my live stream, it's about the experience and the way I'm presenting this knowledge for all of you. The way I am presenting this knowledge for all of you is like you cannot value it in terms of money. This is because they say when we do what we like, we are automatically on a creative side. Okay, so I like reading these charts. I like to talk about the charts. I mean, these whole charts and this whole stuff is my life, and I like it. So when I do it with my passion and with love, it means there will be a lot of information for all of you to guide you, to let you trade to the right side of the market instead of the bad side of the market. And yes, one more thing, I also took some trades as well. Let me show you. First, let's make the charts right here. Then let me turn on. Sometimes it doesn't show the trade history, but let's see. Right here. This is that Friday. That slow time. So I take this one was a point how much? 0.02. I took it a sell right here. You see this trade, then a tiny trade right here, and then this was the good trade. 0.02 I took 164 pips. I booked on Friday, and on this account I did not touch this further rally. See how beautiful it was. It was beautiful, my friend. Let's see. Let me turn on the candles back and let's see right here. on these candles. So what we discussed on Friday on the H4, what was the situation? We had on Friday this situation, and this was that bullish rally. Okay, low volume. Now my friend, the thing is on the gold US dollar right now the situation is as this. Okay, and this is 4260 somewhere. Even if one is going to buy, that person will be going to buying, and let's see, even if I'm buying, where I will be buying, I will be discussing that to all of you. First let's understand this. See, look at this candle, then look at this candle. This candle during the week I discussed, then look at this candle, then this candle, this and stuff like that, till at this point from right here. This whole was the bullish momentum phase. Was what? Was bullish momentum phase, my friend. And the market suddenly rush up, came back down on Friday, and then continue bullish. Simple story. Now if I show you this on the 15-minute, you will easily understand it. Very easily you will be understanding it. So if we look at it, first we need to understand. No, I think look at this candle. This is not bearish engulfing, but there is a sort of a double top with divergence. So let's see how much, if I sell, how much stop loss I will have. 82, around 82 pips. So let's see, first attempt I'm going for but if we sell right now, there will be one more problem. Who knows, this level is like still holding as this, and this level is then still holding as this. So it is a tight consolidation zone, and we have to find out that what the market is going to do right here, because obviously we do need a break below this zone, at least even on the H1 will be enough for us. Then this entire zone of 200 pips around approximately is ours. And just imagine if it drop back till here, that will be a very good sign. But the thing is, market has given us a break of structure, so then selling can be way too risky. Okay, and personally this H4 candle, the present one, is open. So let's switch to the M15. Let's see M5. If I get a chance to trade, I definitely will be trading. Who is telling you I will not be trading? But yes, this level a little bit needs to be broken. Okay, this level. Let's change the colors of these drawings a little bit so that we can easily see. Okay, a break below, because if this break doesn't occur, the next candle can again go back up and take a retest from the high. So let's see it on the 1 minute and 5 minute. If we find something, I definitely will be trading. Who is saying I will not be trading? I will be trading. Got a little bit FOMO right here, a little bit, not too much, but I did get a little bit of FOMO, no doubt. And for the take profit, I think I will be setting it up for this much. But I'm not sure if this is like a 50-50 trade. Okay, in advance I'm telling you. Do you understand 50-50? Like, no doubt the risk to reward is 143 pips. Huh? And the stop loss is how much? 148. This is 1:1. But anyways, let's see. But I think no, I'm not taking a lot of the risk. Okay, right here, just this much will be enough for me. Now remember, I took a trade, I analyzed the market, and I said, okay, this is now my direction. Now it doesn't mean if this trade go against me, I will be sad or like something. No, I will just closely now observe it on the lower time frames to find out that okay, what this market is telling me. Because obviously there are these several levels up there as well, right here as well. So still there is a chance it can continue bullish, but let's see. I hold a trade, so I hold a trade. No second opinion. Yes, second opinion. There is no second opinion. And this is 61.8, so I can look for buying right here as well. Let's delete this. Let's switch to the H1. But my friend, there is this thing also going on in the market. So even if it come down till here, still this pattern will be valid. Okay, still it will be valid. Anyways, who is with me in the chat? Do let me know. There is this, let's see, this bullish engulfing on M1 1 minute, but let's see how do we get a trade opportunity. H1 today will be telling us good directions. This is also a classic sign of a reversal, and this is a double top as well. So either it is a selling trap, okay, so that's why I'm going with proper stop loss, because if the next candle open and try to go back up from the top of this candle, then obviously I will not be interested in any holding any type of sell in this market, because then the situation will be straight to the top. Okay, so this will be one drawback. Further, let's see it on the lower time frame that what we actually get. This bullish engulfing is still active. We need a low below this, and once we get it, things will be easy. How was your weekend? Do let me know what you did the whole weekend. We have 7 minutes left in the NY session to open, so that will make the situation even more easy for us. Let's see. Okay, market is not going anywhere, my friends. How many times I should tell you this? If we plan this much for our like even a little bit of it for our trades, we will never ever be lost in this market. But if we do this much of a mistake, this market can crush us. Okay, and this is the truth. Believe me, this is the truth I'm telling to all of you. Nothing else but the truth. And one question I have from you: do you think I can hit 1500 number on this account in this week? My target is actually to hit 1500. Then from 1500, maybe once it gets 1500, I will be trading 0.03. Okay, I want to show you the real method of trading. See, this gold is how much in profit? Pound dollar in 14 pips of a profit, and gold is in 10 pips of a profit. If I want to close and I say this is my daily profit target, finish. Simple. Things start to get worse when we get greedy. We say, no, we want to trade that as well, we want to trade this as well, and we also don't need to wait for the market. Then, my friends, this is market full of manipulation. Okay, that way is not going to work. If one thing they will make profits this way, is wrong, my friend. Okay, is wrong. Let's see, 143 pips. If this is, if, and remember one thing, I also said one more thing. I said that if this rally continues, it will be coming back down to this 61.8% retracement as well. But yes, for that, this much stop loss will be required. Okay, this much stop loss. So see this, and this is a classic sign of a low volume stuff. So 61.8 is right here. I can take it right here. 517 pips it's telling me, but let's see. I'm anyways might be closing it early, or maybe, I'm not sure, but let's see. Okay, 31 pips effortlessly it's giving me. Let's draw that other level. So if we get a consolidation, so we can prepare ourselves for leaving this trade as an intraday one. This level it is. Okay, this is the level of what, 40 to 33. Yes, 33 is also a number, because see right here, this level and this level, see. And what this level tells us, this one, it tells us that previously a little bit of fight has been going on right here. First, when it came back down, bulls took it over. They found a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement and gave a breakout. The next time it was supposed to be dropping from here, but what it did, it continued bullish, made a double top up there, and now seems like it is dropping back till this zone. So then right here we will know it is going to go back up, or it is going to give us a breakout. Everything is step by step, my friend. Everything is step by step. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. Amir Khalik, sorry, I have to. Okay, you can do your own research. Okay, please leave me. Just don't make my mood bad. Okay, Amir Khalik. And okay, yes. Amir Khalik is telling me that I should do research on Forex, whether it is halal or haram or like what. My friends, there are different scholars. I have heard some say it is haram, some say it is halal. So go after the scholars, my friend. I'm not a scholar. Let me do my chart reading right here. And I'm anyways not telling anyone to join any broker or do it with leverage or without leverage. I'm just teaching right here. Okay, Amir Khalik. So sorry, I had to remove you from the chat, because such questions will not be entertained. How do I know? How do I know? Am I a scholar or something? Bro, if you are going to ask me right here, ask me about support levels, resistance levels, ask me about something else. You are asking me about religious stuff, so I might not be capable of answering to you to that. Okay? So please don't eat my mind on this. Good questions will be entertained. Ask me about concepts, ask me about risk management, ask me about FOMO stuff. Okay, so the candle closed, and now this other candle, this H1 candle, can maybe go up and take a retest of the previous high right here, and then who knows, it can continue back bullish as well. But I'm in the mood to hold this trade anyways. Okay, because these bulls who appeared into the market, I think let's see, time will decide what they want to give. See, this bullish engulfing was then failed right here. Then now we need to know it right here that what it's going to do further. See, candle wise, okay, Fibonacci wise, it can tell us some levels that should potentially stop it, but that is this level, this one. You see this level. Let's change the color a little bit. Okay, because if it closes above this, then on the 1 minute it will be bearish, bullish. So let's see it right here, no problem. But overall, like, this is a counter trend trade, okay? So if it is gone, it is gone. No second opinion inside it. And since if this is such a big level, this one, this is almost like a 500 pips of a zone, then obviously there will be some spikes as well. But technically market anyways is still bullish, okay? So, and this candle on the M15 is bearish, this is bearish. On the H1 we have seen a bearish engulfing candle. See, this candle is bigger than the previous and this one as well, and even covers some of the body of this one as well. So yes, on the lower time frames I think it should continue a little bit further down. But if it's not, it is not compulsory that what I say it will be doing that. PS Kumar ready, Bitcoin. Okay, let me see if I have it on my chart. My brother, what are you doing on Bitcoins? Why don't you trade these other good markets? Bitcoins and crypto is full of manipulation, but still let me see it for you, okay? Let's wait for the chart to load. Where is gold? Till then let me see this active trade. Because if it break above it, then things will be a little bit crazy, I should say. Low key Victor, what buy today? Euro dollar or gold or like what? I did plenty of buying personally, if I tell you, for people. By now 50% of them have this. We can book profits from here as well. Those who are still with me on these bullish rallies, we are in the longer run looking for this. But my friends, the buying times are gone. Don't buy right here now, okay? I mean buying in the sense that on the lower time frames, no buying. I mean not on the lower time frames, but on the position trades. For lower time frames, small buying, that's fine. And the real buying will come. Stay with me from right here and from down there. See how easily it gave us this breakout. But yes, if this level is breached, even on the 1 minute, I am going to leave this trade manually. Yes, this is what I am prepared for. Because then the situation will be, see this H1 candle, because if it just go a little bit above this candle, this previous one, I am going to leave the position. But let's see, I might take another sell right here. Okay, let's see. I took it. This is a quick scalping, okay, and it has just 15 pips of NSL. So let's see, this is classic price action. You guys are very lucky it is happening in front of you. When I say the next candle opens and try to retest the new candle, that is this. Now we have to see that, and when I say that it is trying to retest this level, from there we also don't know it is going to go further up or coming back down. Technically it should come back down, but like it can go up, stop us out and do stuff like that. But this candle obviously reacted. So how much pips it's giving me for this quick trade? Here it is. I think I should book this 27 pips, 26 pips. Let's see, let's wait for it a little bit, okay? Since this is such a quick trade, so I want to move stop to break even. Or I should book profits. Let's see, okay, it is struggling on the H1. So let's see how it looks like on the lower time frames. With break even stop, I'm not sure if it is going to survive or not. Well, if it is this is a little bit right here, then it can survive maybe. But anyways, let's see. See, this level is broken. The market came back down, took a retest of this. Understand these things on the live market. $12 pips it's giving me, and this one is a little bit negative. Anyways, no problem. Let's see. Garabdi. Okay, coming to Euro USD. Let's see what it. Okay, stopped out. No problem. Break even stop hit. Let's see, this candle is again trying to, this is the second attempt. I'm going for another sell. Let me quickly add a stop loss for it. But I think maybe it can take over this as well. But bro, that stop loss will be too much, okay? So even this much is enough for me. And on the M1, this is clearly bullish, okay? So maybe if this level is broken on the 1 minute, I might be getting bullish then. But no good position and holding trades, I should say. Let's wait for this first, the second candle of the 5-minute closing. Right here. See how they took it over, because they know. They know, my friends. Okay, no problem. If that one is stopped at break even, maybe this one can give us profit. I will be closing some of these deals today, okay, live. For example, maybe let's see GBPUSD or stuff like that. Who is with me in the chat? Why you guys are so silent? Let's see this price action pattern right here, that what it gives us. Yes, we don't need to worry about the market, okay? We don't need to worry about this much, because the moment we get worried, the moment we start losing money, we start taking bad trading decisions, and most of the traders don't understand it. See, though there are different traders. For them who want short videos, I make short videos. For them who want big, I come live right here and discuss everything. For whom? Because this is my passion. Chart reading is my passion. I have I mean 10 years is a good decent life. Like this is 25% of my life. If I'm 40 years old, then 10 years I spent right here. So I was at the age of 30, and even before that in 2013 I started. So let me sit a little bit comfortably. Okay, my friends, also tell me what you did in the weekend. You guys are not going to... What happened? Okay, it's good now. It's good now. In a bullish market, now we are holding a sell position. Beautiful market it is, beautiful. And I will be becoming bullish right now. Let's see. Let hit my stop loss. Let's wait to see this stop loss hits and then see how I become bullish. And what confirmations I will be looking for. Everything will be right here for you. Okay. This was a very good trade, but the candle is still bullish. So maybe then I can cut off the trade, some of them, but let's see first. 15-minute candle is going to close in 4 minutes, and then we will know that what this market is going to give us. Market started its consolidation, so it is preparing for two things, either a strong breakout or a drop. But since I'm holding a sell position, so I definitely will be saying it should drop because I'm holding a sell trade. And because why I'm saying it should drop, am I saying it from my side? No, I have this price action reading that if it is going to drop, this is a classic sign. The next candle go retest this candle and it should drop, but not always. Okay, not always. If it is bullish, it will just go bullish. Simple. Not 100%. Everyone these days is looking for 100%, my friend. If there was 100%, it would not be going on nicely. Great, Loki Victor. Let's see. For buying, I need a strong confirmation because it has started its consolidation. 2 minutes left, and then I need a break below, even below this zone 42.51. Then I will say, okay, this is now a real sell. Let's see if this stop loss can survive or not. They are very small concepts, small. But together these smaller concepts make bigger traders. Okay, and these are the right here, since this is the beginning of the sessions, because this is just a journey that we have yet started. This is a journey. I will be taking it over so many sessions, in thousands and thousands, hopefully till I'm alive. I will be right here with you every day. But I definitely would like your input from you as well, in the form of sharing the session, in the form of appreciation with others, in the form of chats, in the form of literally, if you can give me hypes on the recorded videos as well, if you can share it in the forums somewhere. I want this real thing to reach out to every trader. Okay, and everything right here I'm sharing is completely free of cost. Literally, even the pro stuff I give free right here. Why? Because if you are spending time with me, I should deliver. I'm right here delivering the stuff to you. Okay, but if one is only looking for sell trades and not learning, then my friend, even if I speak 4 or 5 hours, still that person is not going to understand what after all Aftab is saying. He will not understand. Yes, do this practice. One day come to just for trading to this live stream, and you will say, oh, what is this is going, where is that trade? These are practices we are going to do right here in order to become good trader. For example, there was a concept behind this level. So the concept for some people worked, obviously. See, it hit the high and came down for how much? 46 pips. And there are traders who trade for only 56, 50 pips. I can tell you those traders. But I don't want to show you those traders because they trade very big lots, 50 lots together, 30 lots together. Because their style of trading is very different. They are market makers, they are brokers. What do you think? Shall I book this 200 from it or not? Because I think maybe let's see if it can break below. At least I can close this one at break even and let this run to the downside of the market with a break even stop. That will also be, my friend, a very good idea. That idea is not bad. That idea will be good. And even more good. Because here and there, these are these tiny things that we need to observe with our open eyes. Again, my friends, market came down, but again a rejection. But let's see. Now the emotional traders. I'm not saying that the emotional traders who bought right here will be losing. Who knows? I will lose on this sell. This is market. I will lose this trade. Simple. But it's again like about this mindset as well, my friends. Okay, this is about this mindset. Again, volume, my friend. If I tell you today is not good volume. What did I say yesterday in the recorded video for gold? I said that sometimes the breakout happens with a low volume as well. Yes, because most of the traders then think that the breakouts are always very fast. No, every time we don't see that woo candle. Sometimes markets, what they say, ring ke chalna means crawling. Sometimes it will be slowly crawling and boom. Today most of the traders who were selling on that double top have lost money. Today, because of their bad trading decisions, nothing else. Bad trading decisions, my friends. Okay, a breakout is going to occur. Let's see a little bit breakout from this level, then my friends, see the drama. Because by now, if we see, and remember this concept, whenever I say the next candle can go up till the high of the previous candle and then from there it should drop, but it can also continue bullish. Understand, I will mean this. Okay, print it in your mind, print it. Now imagine if this candle come back down till here. This is, my friend, a drop rally, a sharp rally it is. Okay, a sharp rally it will be. 15 minute also candle closed. Let's see the 15 minute. But the problem right here is between the H1 and the M15. M15 closed bullish engulfing. But who is the strongest one? The H1 candlestick is the stronger one. So now is that decision point for us. And obviously I would be buying something from right here. But since I'm holding sell for now, so let's stay with the sell for now. It took a rejection from right here now. Now this time, if it go up and hit me, then for sure this is a breakout to the buy side of the market. For sure. Without this much of a doubt. This is for sure, my friend, a breakout trade then. But unless the breakout doesn't occur, we are going to do nothing. Literally nothing. We will be properly waiting for the markets, and once everything, like, my friends, everything I demonstrate right here in front of you. Everything, literally everything. Now, my friends, there is obviously the bulls will be coming. And till at this point, I'm not sure if these are false or true, because how do I know? See, one big candle. It shows a very strong bullishness in the market. So can be a bullish trap and can be a real actual concept of the candlesticks. But if one trades with the candlesticks, obviously the stop loss is going to be smaller. 27 pips is nothing, my friend, on gold. Imagine 27 pips on gold only. So now let's see, if this is a breakout, it will continue bullish, and then I will cut this trade manually. But again, sellers are reacting right here. Why they are reacting? Because they know this concept of the H1. Now if H1 closes, we will be able to say something nicely, that okay, what is after all going to happen. See, on the 15-minute time frame, buying is nicely going on this particular candle, nicely, and I mean nicely means nicely. It can go 42, 70, even higher than that. But for example, if I buy a position trade right here, I will have a very big stop loss, almost 500 pips of a stop loss it will be. Now my friends, whatever it was supposed to be giving, it gave. Okay, now I'm leaving this other position of gold as well. This one, this much. And now the thing is, either two things are in front of me. Number one is the buying, but for that obviously I will be looking at the market a little bit, because obviously if this is a breakout, I should be trading it. So let me delete everything. Okay, or let's move to this chart right here. Let's move to this chart. Let's hide the trade history. Now let's see. Slow volume it is, very slow. On the H4, this volume is nothing. This is a broken level. Okay, this is a nice broken level. And this is this, but volume is no doubt slow. Okay, volume is slow. Again it started to react there, but I mean, even if I take a buy, this buy will be very bad right here. So then I have to see some alternative plans. Okay, so let's see this USD CAD 47 pips I am booking, 48 pips. Then from this GBPUSD 9 pips I am booking, and from this USD JPY 130 pips I am booking, and EURUCAD I am booking 40 pips loss. So overall this is the situation. Okay, overall this is the situation. Closed everything. Now I'm a little bit peaceful. In the intraday I usually do this. Okay, let's move to that chart again, and let's see it here. This is still valid. Okay, but I closed because I don't want to put myself in trouble. This is that H1, simple. Let's hide the trade history so that we can see. And now we need to wait for this proper sell, and this proper sell will have a take profit at where? Let's do the trend line studies, and if it is gone, then it is gone. Simple. We may not be able to do anything. And this will have this, maybe it can be running till tomorrow, who knows. And I think stop loss this much is enough, because above this I will be looking for buy, so no reason to hold buying then. I was supposed to be not closing that trade, but anyways, it's now once done, so done. Where is the chart? Here. This is that level where we need a break below today, 42.40. and this is that consolidation area we have till now so far. This is that H1 candles high, previous one. So M30 is closing as well. Let's see now if M30 closes as this, then it can make the image a little bit further blurry. Yes, my friends, this is true, because it will also be then bullish engulfing. So now we have seen bullish engulfing on the M15 as well. Let me show you right here. Bullish engulfing on the M15, bullish engulfing on the M30. It is not yet closed, but let's see, we have 5 minutes, so let's wait for it. And then the next 30 minutes we will see that okay, if this also closes bullish engulfing, then there is this H4 closing on my broker as well. Because see, this is on the H4, this is that highest point. On the H4 we haven't seen any break above from this zone, any break above. So yes, it can make the story a little bit blurry, but rest we will see it on the lower time frame, no issue at all. So there is one this level, if market breaks above it, no, then it's not coming back down. But 4 minutes we need to wait for it, because this M30 is going to close, okay, and it can just skyrocket from right here. Simple. If it closes above this, see, we have no candle closing above this zone right here. You just see, you have a look at it, we have no closing from right here, you see, then no closing, no closing, no closing. So this will be that first H1, M30 and M15 and M30. Okay, but I don't see that happening. Anyways, let's see, as far as it has taken this high, so let's see. But my friend, no, maybe a little bit spike up. I should wait for the market, okay, I should wait. This is what is going on in my mind right now. I should wait, because if we don't wait for the market, it means I am going crazy. So then crazy stuff usually brought us some losses as well. But overall, the overall opinion, if I tell you, this market is straight bullish, okay, this market is straight bullish to this. Even in, you didn't see the weekly forex forecast video, that's why if you saw it, you would be in a better position, because a little bit break above this zone and the market is straight right here, okay, right here on this level, because we have seen a breakout from right here as well. But the thing is, there is no proper breakout retest on the daily, but yes, we have a retest on the H4 in one candle, this one. So market is going to give us something today, don't worry. Perhaps maybe to the buy side. 1 minute left, so let's see if the breakout is happening. I can prepare for a buy instead of a sell. And my friend, you haven't seen any losses yet. From 11th November till now, I'm still making profits. But if I say this whole is my profit, no, I have to give something back to the market as well. This is part of the strategy. And I don't have to take that over my heart. Oh, I lost this much. Oh, I do this. Oh, I do. This is part of the market. One who understands it is the king of this market. One who understands this concept. Because here and there we have some few concepts. One just need to understand them and their life is going to be settled. Well settled, I should say. The moment we violate the rule and do that first mistake, that moment things start to get wrong for us. That same moment. when you are relaxed, when you are very peaceful, when you are completely focused on the market, things go in your favor. My friends, I think there is a Wu candle expected. The M30 closed nicely, and now I need to buy and close the sell. But my friends, this is not a normal buy. Yes, this buy is not a normal one. It has a target of too much. Okay, this has a target of 900 or around 1184 pips. 1184 pips of a target, and it has a stop loss of maybe below this. How much? No, this is too much stop loss. Yes, 1000 approximately. 1000 stop loss, 1200 take profit. So let's see. Now let's see it on the 1 minute. Now I think it is going to break above. Why? Because look at this M30 candle. See, it took over this one. This is called bullish sentiment and bullish momentum building. Now my friend, if this H1 closes as a bullish engulfing, oh, you just need to see that. But we definitely need to wait for it, because this is not yet closed and it can go down and can put me instantly in 133 pips of a stop loss. But now this is some long term stuff going on, and I'm taking a pretty much decent risk on this one. $210 I'm risking on this one trade. Okay, on this account. I am holding on other accounts, but on this account this trade is a little bit late, I should say, because if I was holding, that would be somewhere for, but anyways, let's hold it. So later I will show you how I get out of this situation. Okay, but no doubt I'm holding it, and with very tiny and slow volume it is going up. This usually happens in December, and there are few other months in which it happens. Okay, so we need to properly wait for all of the confirmations, and once everything is confirmed, then we trade and we decide that okay, this is going to happen. Okay, now it may be showing us bearish, it may be showing us bullish, but if we go to the right direction of the market, we are safe. See how many pairs I took over the weekend. But lot sizes are also very much important. If we have good lot sizes, we are safe. If we have bad losses, then bad places take profits or stop loss, then we are on the wrong side. And obviously, being my follower, you will need to be on the right side of the market. Always try to be on the right side of the market. Sometimes the market will be very favorable, sometimes the markets will not be favorable. So when it is not favorable, our profits will just be decreased for the period. Simple. For example, the second week of November, the second week of November, I started these live streams. I made 15%. The next week 6%. Similarly, the other week 9%. Overall I made 35%. So I will say okay, if this 35% of the profits I made live without any effort, without anything, if it can bring me more profits, I should take the entry, because I'm not giving it from my pocket. If it takes $250 from me, I will get back to break even, and I will have this much, I will have no regret, even this much not. because this market doesn't work on regrets or oh why I did that or do this. But the thing is that I tell all of the time is our direction and our trading point and our mindset should be to the right side of the market. And then when once you do that, the market will be your slave. Okay, I will be showing you that in these streams, in these videos, everywhere, literally everywhere I will be showing you this stuff. So first also promise me that you will be watching those other videos as well. Those recorded videos are very short. You guys sit with me right here for hours and hours. So why don't you watch those videos? They are to the point. But I think you guys are missing my humor. I know. Thank you everyone for liking me this much. Okay, thank you so much. You guys like me this much. Let's hear the prayer call a little bit. Let me turn off the music as well, the BGM. I'm not sure if you can hear that sound or not, but I can hear it. Low volume, my friend, low volume they are taking it. Because obviously the bulls know. Let's wait for this azan. H1 is still pending. H1 closing is pending, my friend, in 23 minutes, and it can sharply drop as well. Yes, I have seen these things. Let's see, okay, let's see. Market is not going anywhere, my friend. It will be giving us trades, always trades. Those who are watching me for the first time, subscribe the channel. And you didn't give me likes today. I didn't get enough likes from you. Thank you first of all for the 18 likes. Okay, thank you so much for the 18 likes. Abdul Rahman Sange, how are you doing, my friend? Try to talk to each other, share your plans with each other. I'm going to build a community right here. I will be putting you guys in the WhatsApp group, then there you will be so try to get familiar with each other a little bit. I'm talking to analysts as well. Soon when I hit those numbers, fundamental analysts will be coming here. We will be getting information from every source possible for me and present it for you right here on this stream. Yes, this I'm here with a very bigger plan, okay? With a very bigger plan I'm here. That's why I'm counting my sessions. Today's session number 61. When I had got a internet disconnection, I thought, oh, my mood is gone. But then I say no. I have to be committed. I have to be committed. So the breakout has, my friend, occurred. Now is the time for this wick. If they are going to take it, then rest of the way is very smooth, my friend. Can be a fast one as well, can be a slow one as well. But yes, real time sentiment, emotion and everything I'm telling to you. But the thing is, properly the danger is not gone. Strong seller can jump anytime right here. Anytime they are here. Don't think they will not be here. They will be here. But anyways, I'm holding a holding position. Well, if I tell you honestly, this is the nice take profit stop loss, I should say. 172 pips. I'm taking it too long term maybe. But anyways, see, I am setting way too much stop loss. Though my lot is very smaller, but still like and this candle is yet open, so it can do anything because the M15 candle can prove false, the M30 can prove false. This is us who have to decide. But my friend, the lower time frames are very bullish. I mean, look at it, very bullish. Sellers are this much not taking interest in it, this much. Now this azan you should hear. This is closer, coming from the closer mosque, closer to me. Let's see. Breakout, okay? Breakout done. Breakout did. It did break out. Not yet exactly confirmed, but I think it's gone. I think it's gone. Wow, if it hits the whole take profit, I will get how much profit? Too big profit, my friends, too big. Even let's say if I close it right here, still this is $188 of a profit, my friend. Bigger one. On a pound JPY, I was also looking for a sell, sorry, for a buy. Let's move it right here, okay? This afternoon I discussed it with my member, but the ideal buy has not yet formed, okay? The ideal intraday buy is not formed. See, no confirmation near this 61.8. So I let it go till here 204. Let's see, okay, this one. Even let's have a look at it on the daily. See this daily candle, slow volume candle. Yesterday I said it. See, now I am sad for those traders who took emotional selling decisions right here. A big mistake they did, my friend. If one understand the Fibonacci, will be understanding everything. Simple. See, A to B, everything I discussed. You were with me when I was trading it to the sell side, trading it to the buy side. Even right here I traded. Yes, see, this is on C to D. When the bulls see the impulsive wave, how come this possible they are going to leave it? Because see, the double top was not formed. So if the double top was not formed, obviously it should continue bullish. And now then we will be saying that okay, there is a big double top formation right here. And then who knows there? Who knows, this is gold, even if it is going to stop there or not, who knows? Who knows? But if I tell you, the bulls are very slow. Bulls are very slow, my friend. Suddenly anything can happen, okay? Anything can happen suddenly. I have seen such moments. In such breakouts, when it is false, it just drum go down. Yes, I have in the past I have lost big money on such trades, because by no means this is going to be traded as a bullish right here, by no means. And even if one did 20 pips, 25 pips, book it from market. This is like a, but I know that even if it come back down, I will buy right here. I have such a small position, I will buy from right here as well, then maybe some more buying. And at the end, if nothing works, SL has gone nowhere, it will hit the stop loss. Simple, very simple. Don't make things complicated for yourself. Keep things simple. The simple the better. The simple the better. The simple the better. Okay, 15-minute candle closed. not exactly as a breakout, see, but the next, let's see, this candle will confirm. But like again, the next candle can come back down till here and retest this low as well. Then we can buy more right here. But let's see if it come back down till here then. And if that sell will already be considered for a buy then. Because from ourselves, see like this consolidation areas, it is showing a sell now. Most traders are going to sell, but no, it's not me. So I try to book 20 pips from this one. Let's see, I'm going to buy it from here again if I get a chance. Market is anyways not that much fast. Yes, book profits wherever it is coming from. Book it. Book it. This whole will be then intraday buying level 42.55, the lowest point it has. If we look for a Fibonacci number, then the Fibonacci will be right here. And who knows, this wick could be a false one. This is also true, my friend. Then we will be looking at this 61.8% retracement right here, because I have also seen that candles showing this to stop everyone out and then later come back down and close bearish. I have seen such situations, my friends. $65 pips, I'm taking a risk. But my friend, let's see. Okay, I'm assuming that this is an entry from the price action. Okay, this is an entry from the price action. Now here I will be observing it. If it is going to close above this, then my friend, it is truly then bullish. Because on the intraday zone, we have to get bullish, bearish, and we have to get used to it. Okay, if you have trouble with it, I will only be trading the position accounts on the H4, H1 for you. So then later I will decide how many of you are the intraday, how many of you are the scalpers. So then accordingly I will plan my live streams. The more the audience, it depends on the majority of them. Okay, on the majority of them, my friends. Whatever you guys say, I will be doing that. Whatever you say, I will be running that thing. Okay, let me just give me one moment. Oh, let's see. It's good now. Let's see this one, and this H1 is going to close in 12 minutes. So like M15 has decided I'm bullish, M30 has decided I'm bullish, M30 till now so far since this is open, it has decided I'm bearish. Okay, and even the H4 decided right here I'm bullish, but I mean like this breakout will be important for us, this breakout. Okay, because without this breakout, now I think, my friend, since this is bullish, you know, when the bulls see it, they will say, oh, we are getting it at a good price, so they will buy and stop us out. This is how these rallies are. This is how these rallies are, and we need to see it, observe it nicely. Then we understand the real market. Okay, this is now the place where I think maybe if we get a break below this, my friend, then I see a little bit more selling pressure to the downside. Other than that, let's see. Time will decide. In next 10 minutes we have candle closing, my friend. Candle closings are very much important. I might be leaving right here. Okay, I might be leaving right here this, but if it come back down till here, because my friend, this H1 candle, you know, is steady holding. Okay, no doubt it got a rejection, But even if it closes above this, then my friend, let me draw it for you. If it closes above right here, then my friends, this is for sure the next candle come back down till here and we take a further buying. But see, the bulls are leaving their position for some reason. Bulls are leaving their positions. Understand it, okay? Understand it. We need a close below this and then see the rally. I think we have got a break below from this. Now from this we need, and then maybe for now I'm setting this take profit a little bit bigger, because if this candle continues sharply down and break this H1 candle, see this H1 candle, my friend, this is the H1 candle, and if it closes below this zone, the next candle will go up, will take a high and will come back down, my friend. Okay, so 62 pips it's giving me. What do you say? Shall I book it or shall I wait for it? Let's look at it on the 1 minute. We have still 9 minutes left, but from right here, if it is taken, I will be again in sort of a, but anyways, let's see. Sellers are strong at the moment. Strong, yes, strong. Nicely, we need a break below this zone. We need a break below this zone. Then we are almost at the weekly, the H1 low, but we definitely need this low. And right here, this is a bearish engulfing as well on the 5 minute. But there is a chances of pattern formation right here. So how that pattern will look like, time will also definitely decide that. For now, let's see. I want to book this profit or not. I have to see, I have to wait. Let's see the 1 minute if there is any bullish stuff going on. Nothing bullish, nothing till now so far. Even if the bulls are coming, they will come and will just take it over. So that is not my control. On Friday and previous week, what I say, we should try to control the things that are in our control. The thing that is not in our control, and if we try to control, for example, that day I told you there is a big rock, 1,000 tons of a rock, and if I say I'm going to hold it on my shoulder, I want to put it, the whole day I will be pushing hard, but obviously okay, 57 pips I booked. Okay, let's see, let's the image be a little bit more clear, because this is some level and I have seen bulls. So see, this is how I trade and this is how I also tell you to. Now this is, I don't need a close above this on the H1, because if on the H1 we get a close above this, again this will be a bullish engulfing. Still it is a bullish engulfing, and this candle can tell us that now this time this is going to be just like it was a selling price point for us. Now this time right here it can be a scalping buy point for us. But now this candle seems like a stop hunt candle to me. Yes, this is true. So then I think maybe, yes, a further drop can come. Let's see, let's wait for it to go a little bit up and then I'm going to sell again. Yes, my friends. But in this time, if it come back down and continue bearish, I will say, okay, next time we catch it. Next time we catch it. No big problem. This is us who have to decide our trade direction. Because I mean, if you look at it right here, see? Oops. See why I left the position right here. I assume something is happening. That's why I closed it. But it doesn't necessarily mean that something should be happening right here. Okay, doesn't mean that. But if it I was looking for a bullish from right here, why I'm not looking at bullish for now? Because look at this candle. I have this doubt that maybe if this candle closes below this, the next candle might come back down, so I can take a good buying from here. 5 minutes, my friends, left. Only 5 minutes. and everything will be clear in front of us. Everything, literally everything will be clear for us. Simple things, simple logics. And please, when I do upload a recorded video, do watch it, my friends. Let's see this with a 22 pips of a stop loss. If it go nicely, nice. Otherwise, I let it go. Let it stop me out, no problem. 4 minutes left. If a sharp drop is coming, so that I can take benefit of it. I don't care about this 22 pips. Simple. Simple stuff. Keep it simple. Simple stuff. Okay. I will be stopping out by the market. It will be hitting my take profits. I will be manually entering. I will be leaving. I will be trailing my stops. Everything is part of this stuff. Okay. This is now on a 1 minute bearish engulfing. 3 minutes left only. Decision point right here. 3 minutes left. Let's see. 3 minutes left. Very critical moment it is. I mean, it should continue down, but this stop loss is very tight. So it cannot survive. I'm telling you from now. At this zone, this much stop loss cannot survive. Yes, 22 pips stop loss it is, so it's okay. I let it go. Let's see it hitting. Okay, closely I'm looking at it. See, hit my stop loss. Closely I'm looking at it. Hit my stop loss. I'm not worried about you market makers. 2 minutes left only. Stop loss is gone. Simple. 2 minutes left, and on the 15 minute, let's see. My friend, if this closes as a bearish engulfing, wow. Even as this, if it closes, the next candle go up, we take a sell from there. And this is also a good buying level as well. If one is trying to look for a buy, that will look like this. Around 100 pips of a stop loss can give around 100 pips of a TP. Simple. But level is not very ideal for buying because we are standing at a resistance. No doubt the breakout has occurred, stuff like that. But still, I mean, look at this H1 candle with a wick. Only 1 minute left. So if it closes below this, my friends, see, we have a wick right here and we have a wick right there. So can easily help us in the identification of whether this market is coming back down to take a retest right here or not. 41.95 approximately, somewhere right here. See, what did I say, my friends, at the start? That this is going to do this. And we are not yet confirmed exactly. Now, this is going to put me in more stop loss. Because now, at least, my friends, this will be the right entry. 490 pips it can give me. Okay, the candle closed, the H4 closed as well. Wow, my friend, look at it. Now this H4 closed as a very nice bearish pin bar. Now two things, whether this is a false one or whether this is a correct one. This is also we need to know. So it means this is a ranging market at the moment, slow market at the moment. And let's see, I will update you tomorrow about this particular trade. And try to come every day to the stream, okay? Later, don't think so. I these are just my personal setups, okay? But it doesn't necessarily mean what I say. For holding positions, these trades, these live streams are not for holding positions, okay? So for example, if one is holding like this, just like I'm holding, as this, if someone is holding, and later it hits the SL, you don't have to then blame me, okay? Wow, my friend, I think this breakout is finally coming. And if this breakout comes, my friend, 490 pips has gone nowhere. I just need a break below this zone and see this entire clean range. I was about to wind up the session, but let's see. Let's stay a little bit more. A little bit further. A little bit further, my friends. Those who have joined me right now, make sure when I was explaining this bearish engulfing, you should see. Now maybe let's see, it should drop at least 200 300 pips down. Volume is very low, but I think stop loss hunt candle was this, then this whole area. And on top of that we have seen H4 candle. What H4 candle? We have seen this pin bar on the H4. That can easily tell us that okay, now if the not this candle, maybe it can spend some time right here till tomorrow and then come back down. It depends on the market, okay? It depends on the market, and whether even if it comes down or not, who knows, it can violate this pin bar and go continue bullish. We cannot say anything about that, okay? Because but I'm saying this retest has to be occurred. Low volume today. It was a very low volume, my friend. Today was volume was very low. So this is how I trade, and if you want, I can right now close in front of you in 17 pips of a profit. Simple. I'm not holding. See, I'm not holding. I say okay, I let it go up and I take another trade. Simple. But the thing is, now it should drop. If it is not dropping, we don't force it. We are not force traders. We are humble traders. We are traders with patience. We are traders with patience. This is how I book profits for myself. And from 11th November till now, so far, the history is in front of you. This account was $960. Now see, 1060, 1160, 1260, $300 it created. Let me do the calculation and tell you. And I'm not proving myself, okay? I'm not proving myself as a trader. I just talk about this pattern that I have, and those like, or this strategy that I have, and there are those traders as well who made plenty of profits from right here, right here, right here. Uh, so no doubt, like market can consolidate inside this zone, but later we see. See, what did I say yesterday in the weekly forex forecast video? I gave you an alert. I gave you a very clear alert that there is a double top formation, and if that double top is violated, the story will be completely different. Make sure to check it out. I do all of this effort for you as well. Let's see if this breakout is coming. I'm selling again. I'm selling again, my friend, all right here with all of you. Let it come back down a little bit and then see. Let's see, okay, let's wait. I'm planning for a sell, candle gap down. Let's see. Let's see, okay, because this is that decision candle. It can continue bullish as well. Where is that? Right here. But this pattern, if I tell you, is, I mean, look at it from right here, from this angle. Look at it, my friend, from this angle. This is how we need to look at it. Again, 15-16 pips is coming to me effortlessly, but this time I think maybe I can get a little bit more profit. A little bit more profit I can get from the market. Yes, when people see that bearish engulfing on the H4, how they are going to stop there? This is then another thing, my friends. This is then that another thing as well. And please, I tell you, don't come right here every day to trade. Understand these things, okay? And don't you think I can trade these levels with bigger lots? But I'm not. I'm trying to prefer to learn the market in these sessions, because this market can do anything with us, to us. See, strong bulls appeared right here. Where they came from? It can tell us that maybe there was some liquidity or something. So if that was a liquidity grab, it is going to continue bullish. But the things that are not in our control, I have stopped controlling the things that are not in my control. Taking the entry, nice entry or nice confirmation. That is my duty. I fulfilled that. Now, moving the market, that's not in my control. I'm not a market maker, my friend. And God forbid, I don't want to be a market maker, because market maker always crush the retail trader. He don't see that this retail trader has kids as well. He has his family, he has expenses, stuff like that. Okay. But in the Forex rules, it's also shown that it's not something for living. It's for fun. If one do it for fun, like the market makers are doing it for fun, they don't have to pay the bills, they don't have, so and they have a lot of the money as well. They can manipulate easily the market. Right now, what it did right now here, what it did, manipulated the market. So this is that slow market. Okay, these are the slow market. If it hits the stop loss, it will be $42 of a loss, which is bigger one, right? But maybe it can go up as this, and create a double top right here. You see this zone? But anyways, let's see. Okay, let's wait for it properly. Patience, patience everywhere. Okay, everyone, patience. Personally, now a little bit afraid of these bulls, that okay, where did they came from? Because they obviously are going to hit this level 86 pips further. In zigzaggy markets, this will happen, and we cannot stop it. We cannot stop it, my friend. Okay, strong bulls appeared, strong bulls from a very good place they appeared. But let's see from right here. Well, I think no. I still am a little bit looking at it bearish as per the candlesticks. Well, if the candlesticks are showing me the false data, that's something else. Otherwise, let me turn on the, where is that RSI? Oh, my friend, look at this divergence, a bigger divergence. If my stop loss survive, now I think on this divergence, I think 41.98, 41.95 it should drop to. Rest, if it is not dropping, it take our stop loss, simple. Okay, so these are these simple things, try to learn it. So it was a little live stream for all of you. I hope you guys understood it. And rest of the Euro USD, who asked me Euro USD, I uploaded a video, make sure to check it out. I uploaded a video, everything. And USD JPY, I closed it, it is going back up. It will be trying to show me a sell. I'm not going to take a sell right here. This is not my desired level. My style is very different. You will like it. Okay, you will like it in the longer run. So I might be trading a little bit more on the gold today later near the H4 candle close. But if it is this much slow, I might not be targeting to the buy side of the market. I will be leaving this position. Okay, if I'm stopped out, I'm stopped out. Tomorrow I will update you that hey guys, I'm stopped out, but not like on the Thursday. On the Thursday, the trade that I took, that was a bit emotional. This is not emotional. This is a real proper confirmed sell trade in front of me. So that's why I took it. Rest, let's see what it gives us. Wherever I close it tomorrow, I will tell you. So take a lot of care of yourself, and I will see you next time. Let's do this one thing, other thing. Okay, 61 is right here. Okay, 40 to 34. So anyways, let's see tomorrow. Take a lot of care of yourself. Give me a good feedback. Rewind the session and watch it from the beginning. You will understand each and everything pro stuff. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Have a very good time.